Why do people tend to delay in filing for bankruptcy?
People tend to delay filing for bankruptcy typically because people just have this preconceived notion that bankruptcy will ruin their credit and they're going to lose their assets. There are so many myths out there about bankruptcy that people just assume they're going to lose their home automatically or lose their car or their job. People assume that bankruptcy is set up to wipe away their debt, but in exchange, you're somehow going to be punished for having to exercise your bankruptcy rights. A lot of people just avoid even looking into it, and eventually, when they come around and do look into it, they discover that it's designed to help them get a fresh start, not to punish them. Many times, people will try other potential solutions to resolve the debt situation before even looking into bankruptcy. And I cannot tell you how many people I've met with that after we complete our free consultation, they say, I wish I would have talked to you 18 months ago, or a year ago, or half a year ago. It would have been so much easier. I would have had so much stress off of my shoulders because I wouldn't be thinking about pulling money out of my retirement to try to make ends meet or living hand to mouth trying to make these monthly payments and avoid lawsuits. And they would have had a lot less sleepless nights if they would have just picked up the phone and sat down with me for a free consultation. And we could have laid down all of the information they would need to make an informed choice on how to best resolve their debt. And we talk about how we can protect assets for 98% of our clients. And for those 2% of clients where we can't protect 100% of their assets, it's usually turning over a portion of a large tax return that's more than we can protect, or something along those lines. But even if you were one of those rare people where you had too much in assets or too much in income that we couldn't make the bankruptcy really meet your goals, then you don't lose anything by coming in for a free consultation. But think about how much you would gain if you did. If you're facing these circumstances and bankruptcy can work for you, then it's not going to cost you anything to get that information, and there's absolutely no obligation. If nothing else, you're taking a big step towards resolving your debt problems and eliminating that stress out of your life. So, I always tell people it does not hurt to just learn more. You're not having to retain anyone. You don't even have to make the decision to file a bankruptcy, that particular day. You're just arming yourself with information so that you know that you can make a decision on whether bankruptcy is going to work for you as opposed to a different potential debt solution.